Okay, good day everyone, no? Again, i-continue natin na yung topic natin about solving quadratic equation. Okay? So ito yung last method, no? Hindi pa tayo last topic kasi meron pang kasunod. Ito yung last method na pwede natin gamitin in solving quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. So any quadratic equations applicable tong formula na to. No, yun nga lang, you just have to remember or memorize, no, the formula. Okay, kasi pagka memoryado mo, nakalatag na yung susolve mo. So, yun na lang gagawin mo. Okay? So here, no? Express the expression first in a standard form, no? No, dapat nasa standard form mo na yung expression mo, yung equation, no? Or nasa form na ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay? And then, determine the values of a, b, and c. So, ibibigay mo yung values ng a, b, and c dito. Then, substitute the values to the quadratic formula. Now, ito yung quadratic formula natin. We have x equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over by 2a. So, ito yung formula natin. Then, perform the indicated operation. Okay, example. 2x squared plus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. So, regardless na dito kung perfect square ba yan o kung pwede bang ma-factory yung gaya yung negative 6. Wala na yon. Tatanggalin na natin, no? Focus tayo sa quadratic formula, no? Siyempre, i-check muna natin kung nasa standard form siya. Since nasa standard form na, jump na tayo sa values of A, B, and C. So, ano yung A natin dito? We have 2. Okay? What about for B? We have positive 3. Ito yung B natin. Okay? Your C is equal to negative 6. Okay. Kompleto na yung A, B, and C natin. Then, use this formula. No? So, dapat kabisado to na para mabilis yung pag-solve. Okay. Then, substitute na your B, your B here to 3. So, we have negative 3 here. Plus or minus. No? The square root of your B ulit is 3. So, magiging 3 squared yan. Minus 4. Your A is 2. Your C is negative 6. All over by your A here is 2. So, we have 2 times 2. No? Then, next. Negative times 3 is negative 3. No? Plus or minus. The square root of 3 squared is 9. Minus 4 times 2 times negative 6 is equal to positive 48. No? Diretso ko na. All over by 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, now. Next, we have negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 plus 48. I-add natin muna nasa loob. That is equal to 57 all over by 4. Okay? Now, ito yung magiging roots natin. Negative 3 plus the square root of square root of 57 over by 4 and negative 3 minus square root of 57 over by 4. So, plus and minus lang ang pinagkaiba. Ay, hindi na natin makukuha yung natin dito yung tawag nito yung value kasi nga hindi perfect square yung 57. Okay? Next, x squared minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. So, ganun pa rin. Nasa standard form na, so no need to arrange this one, no? Kasi nasa standard form na, just get the values of A, B, and C natin, no? For your A, we have 1. Your B, we have negative 4. Your C, we have 3, no? Then substitute it into this formula, no? Your B here is negative 4, no? Huwag mo lang tanggalin itong negative sign muna. Plus or minus, the square root of your B is negative 4 ulit. So, negative 4 squared minus 4 times your A is 1. Your C is 3. All over by 2 times your A is 1. Okay, negative times negative 4, that is positive 4. Plus or minus the square root of negative 4 squared. We have 16 minus 4 times 1 times 3 is equal to 12. No? So we have 16 minus 12 all over by 2 times 1 is 2. Okay? Simplify natin nasa loob ng radical sign. No? 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 12 is 4. No? Over by 2. Since 4 is a perfect square, tanggalin natin yung radical sign. We have 4 plus the square root of 4 is 2. No? 4 plus or minus 2 all over by 2. Then, hiwalayin natin, separate. Now, 4 plus 2 over by 2 is equal to 6 over by 2 is 3. Next, 4 minus 2 over by 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Then divided by 2 ulit. Then your x is equal to 1. So ito yung magiging mga roots niya. 3 and 1. Okay? That's it. No? So find the roots of the following equation by using quadratic formula. Again, for number 1, dapat i-write natin siya into standard form. Okay? Kasi negative 2 nasa right side. No? Yung A mo magiging 2, your B is 5, your C is positive 2 instead of negative kasi transpose tayo. Then solve for the quadratic form. For the roots using quadratic formula. Then the roots are negative 2 and negative 1/2. Okay? Next, number 2, since nasa standard form na, okay, just get the values of A, B, and C na. Your A here is 5, your B is 5, 8. Your A is 5, your B is 8, your C is negative 4. Then the roots are negative 2 and 2/5. Number 3, ganun din, no? Then the roots are negative 4 plus square root of 10 over by 2 and negative 4 minus square root of 10 over by 2. Then pwede pa tong simplify. No, kasi 4 divided by 2, no, magiging negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 10 all over by 2. Okay? So that's it. Di ko na masyadong hahabain, no? Basta follow lang yung mga steps doon sa diniscuss ko. Okay? Thank you and goodbye.